Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to ask you to join me exploring the Instagram tools that you might haven't know these tools before. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your Instagram and make sure that you're signed in and logged in with your account, and after that you just need to visit the profile of your account here. And right after that you just need to take a look on this top right corner and just click this three straight lines, and after that you just need to go click the third row, which is the your activity. And now in this video I would like to show you the way how to recover the deleted post on your Instagram account. So to recover, you just need to take a look on removed and archived content, and then to recover or to check the post or the content that you have been deleted, go click recently deleted. So in this section there will be saving your content that you have been deleted for the last 30 days, and you just need to explore which content that you want to bring back into your feed or your Instagram. So let's say you want to restore this, so you just need to go click this more and go click restore. Make sure that you confirm that you want to restore this on your story, and those content now is already restored and bring back into your story. So that is the way, guys, how to restore the story or the content on Instagram. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.